Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Dizzy Booboo from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large circle. Then let's hop inside and let's draw two large circles for the eyes. And then inside each one, let's add another one to add a border. Now in the inner circle, we're going to draw an X shape by drawing two bumps up at the top. And then two underneath. And then color the area around the X in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across in the center. Then let's curve it down on each end. And another curve to close it off at the bottom. And then hop in and let's add another curve across like this. And that's it for the mouth. Now we're going to hop back up to the top and draw the hair. In the center, let's draw a curve down and bring it over towards the right eye. And curve it up at the bottom. Now let's add another bump next to it. And then from the top, let's bring it down and back up to add one last bump. Now that we're done the hair, let's add the zipper. Let's start with two lines down at the top of the head. And then a curve across at the bottom. Next, we're going to hop in and let's draw a circle at the top. And another one inside. Now underneath the zipper, let's draw two small lines down. And a curve at the bottom. Now to draw the end of the zipper, let's start on top of the head and let's draw a point up and an angle up and out on each side. Now let's do the same thing on top. Let's add a point up in the center and two angles. And then close off the top of each side like this. Now to finish off the zipper, we're going to hop back inside the head and let's draw a line down in the center to the mouth. And then continue it underneath. Now let's add some stitch lines across. And that's it for the zipper. Now let's add the ears. On the top of the head, let's draw 2 curves out and bring it back in at the bottom. And do the same thing inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start by drawing 2 curves down and out. And then let's curve it down with a bump on each side. Now for the feet, let's draw a large oval underneath each side like this. And then a curve across in between for the bottom of the body. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve at the top. Then let's move up and let's draw a point up in the center. And a zigzag line down on each side. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the arms. We'll start with a curve down and out on each side. And then a curve back in to the feet. Now for the hands, let's add a large curve out and bring it back up. And then a smaller bump for the thumbs. Now lastly, on the left side, let's draw the tail. Let's start next to the arm and let's draw a curve out. And bring it back up. Then at the end here, let's add a circle. And then on the left, let's draw 2 curves down. Now inside each of these triangles, let's draw a line in from the center here. And then to finish off the tail, let's draw a point up and down. And one more curve back up to the head. And that's it for Dizzy Booboo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!